the last week, gold traded between 1561 as a low of the week to 1584 as a high of the week. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Gold spot printed a closing price on the last trading session of Friday above 1582. The number is rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading in an uptrend, a clear bullish trend, and it's above its all daily simple moving averages, and the momentum is seen quite strong. And for the RSI readings, it's moderate in all the charts, starting with 61 on the daily chart and then 69 on the weekly chart and 69 also on the monthly chart. For the support levels are seen about 1575 and then 1562 and then 1550, and for the resistance levels it's seen about 1585, and if it's cleared the market will be looking for 1600. If it's cleared, the market will be looking for 1613. That's all. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week and from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers: the NY Empire State Manufacturing Index for month of February on Tuesday, then PPI inputs and building permits on Wednesday, and on Thursday we'll be waiting for the Philippine Manufacturing Index, and on Friday the Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. The financial markets still did not price the negative economic impact of the deadly coronavirus, the known as of now as the COVID-19. This is in fact leaves us in front of maybe an unrepeatable opportunity, because markets by nature are supposed to be efficient, and they are supposed to address the traded assets with the fair price. Having that the market so far did not discount the negative impact of this unique event, it gives us an opportunity that we do have to look into it and take an advantage of it. Data from China last week was a little bit confusing. We have seen a spike in the number of the infected people, and we have seen some leaked videos and photos shows the process of the continuous process of the attempt to disinfect cities by itself in China. Makes us wonder how contagious this virus is, and we are certainly confused if whether we are told the truth about this outbreak, or there is something else that we don't know yet. I bet that there are so many other things far more than what we know about this outbreak. From what I have read so far, it's an airborne virus. It shares similar patterns as of those in the AIDS, and it's as contagious as the common flu. I know this is a shocking statement, but this is at least what we got from third-party experts, which means that this disease is going to stay with us until there is a vaccine. As you know, the viral infections usually does not have cure. So all the hope is on the vaccine, but hopefully it's going to be here within a year time. Make yourself ready. The point from what I said, that make yourself ready to hear a shocking numbers starting from the beginning of the coming week. Hopefully China could keep its commitment into locking down those cities, as it could save so many lives all around the world, specifically in the less developed countries. Otherwise there will be an uncontrollable situation. The virus, as it seems, is a first-class killer, and it needs to be handled with seriousness at the level of the individuals and the governments. Otherwise, there could be a situation that is untakeable on the economic front that could lead to untimed recession. Back to our main topic, the gold. And after we discussed the latest developments about the virus spreading, technically, with a close above 1575, gold spot is looking at 1610 as the next step. A close above 1610 will open the door to 1623, then to 1650. From there should be a retracement that will take us back to 1610. Given enough time for consolidation, this market will be looking for 1800 sooner than anyone thinks. We don't know yet what may cause such a move. Is it the virus? Is it a war? A recession fears? As the storyline is not so clear so far, okay? But from the price action, this is what most likely is going to take place in the coming 2 weeks. That's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week in another video.